It's Adrian. How are you doing today? Well, it is very cold outside. Just snowed a couple of feet for me here. And so I've been on the internet, and it's right before the happy holidays, so happy holidays to you. And like I said, I've been on the internet looking at the sales and thought I'd go ahead and get ready and tell you about a couple of the sales that I've been seeing out there and what I've ordered from. And so, as far as foundation, I'm using Light Illusion, the Flower Foundation, which I really like. I've heard maybe that it's being discontinued, and I'm really not liking that idea at all. So, today's a stay at home with a couple of feet of snow. I'm not going anywhere today, so just thought I'd be a little bit playful and fun with this stuff, and where do things go? Can't believe I'm ordering more makeup. But talking about ordering more makeup, over at ColourPop right now, they have site-wide 30% off, and I have put an order in, and they're already selling out of things. They already have sold out on a couple of things. But again, most everything on the site is 30% off right now. And speaking of that, I'm going to go ahead and use It's My Pleasure here. I haven't used this one as much as I have the Lilac You A Lot one, but there you go. Here's the colors on this one. And let's see here. So again, 30% off. They are starting to sell out. When I placed my order, there were actually, well, now that's special. That's a dirty brush. Oops. Not pretty. Okay, let's see. Well, okay. That's better. Oops. Clean that off. One of the other sales that I found was Juvia's Place, and they do have half off over at the Juvia's Place website right now. Let's see what else. Ulta has a list of products that they already have on sale. And again, this is before Black Friday. This is the Tuesday before. So, let's see, which other ones? Paula's Choice has 20% off of their entire website. Oh, so, as far as what I've used so far, this was, let's see, this one down here. This rose was my first shade, and then the shade in the middle is one that I'm using on the inside. As far as the outside corner, I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And this one is a very purpley palette as well, but it is actually more of a pink purple than the lilac, which is more of a true purple or blue purple. And these are gorgeous colors. They really are. They just pop, pop, pop. So, actually, I kind of want to go ahead and add a little bit more in here on my lid to get some sparkle going there. And let's see, which other ones have I heard about? Went over to Sephora's website. Didn't really see as much on the website as I don't think they are having some of the sale now, but they really just haven't listed a lot of stuff. Went over to C Color's website. They aren't actually doing sales, but this palette that I got, that's actually a dupe for the Obsession, the Huda one. This one is very good. Really like this palette a lot. I also got the Whimsical, which is for the Norvina palette, and I like that one too. And so this is Whimsical, like this, and then, and anyway, they always have, yeah, all of their eyeshadows are, well, I think this palette was like $8, so, and they are dupes, and they have a lot of nice wearable everyday shades in these ones. So, go ahead and get some eyebrow on here with blush. Let's see. Wet n Wild, yeah, Wet n Wild has something going too where you can spend, I think it's either $20 or $30, and then they send you a coupon that you can go ahead and use on their website for $40, and that looked pretty interesting. Just didn't need that many Wet n Wild products. Instead of going ahead and getting their highlighter palette over at work, well, for a treat during the week, I've been going ahead and getting some of the highlighter shades, and this one is Blossom Glow, and this one is Bloom Time. This one is actually an icy pink, and then this one is more of a peach, and they look to me like the same colors that are in the palette, so instead of buying one palette, I'm getting them one at a time. It's kind of fun. I get to play with them during my day. And so right now I'm using the Bloom Glow. Yeah, no, Blossom Glow. Blossom Glow, yeah. To go ahead and do my highlighting right now. Let's see, blush. Again, this one's from Pixi. This is the Pixi, and this one is Peach Parfait. So over at Jeffree Star, I know for Black Friday they are going to have the mystery boxes again, but I went over to the website and I didn't see them listed yet, so I'm not sure where. Of course, I don't order from that site, so I don't really know. Let's see. Physicians Formula is actually having, they're having a sale, and I went and saw a couple of items that I had gotten on their sale as well, and that's on their website. Let's see. Oh, all the ones with ColourPop, all of the sister companies like Fresh and Soul, they all are 30% off, or at least most of their stuff is 30% off as well. So, yeah, there's that. Pretty. I haven't been to the flower website. I think I'll probably go over there, see what they have as well. But as far as going ahead and getting some of this stuff, definitely with the ColourPop, I would go ahead and get it now and not wait for the Black Friday. So, I had their eyeliner packet that I wanted to get with, they had it marked down to $29, and it had a whole bunch of the eyeliners in there. Completely sold out when I was trying. And this is the Essence Volume Stylist here. Oops. There goes me, making a mess. So there's ColourPop. It's my Pleasure palette, and that has a lot of color and a lot of sparkle to it. And much more of a red purple palette. Oh, I got the Soul all over my hands, and I can't get the palette open. There we go. So there again, that's the palette. That's what it looks like. And a lot of really pretty colors. Rose to pink to purple to a burgundy, 2 burgundies. Yeah, so just pretty palette. And the formula again, yeah, it's Major Wonderful. And so is the C color that I wanted to let you know about the different sales that I had seen so far. And thank you and have a good day, and happy internet shopping.